Dream Destiny Destinations. Explore the world beyond borders. Discover history, nature, and unforgettable journeys.
Morning breaks over Lomé, Togo's capital, painting the sky in soft orange and pink. The city stirs gently beneath this watercolor dawn, as the first rays of sunlight stretch across rooftops and awaken the promise of a new day. The Atlantic's waves whisper against the sandy shore, a daily rhythm that anchors city life. Each tide brings with it stories from distant horizons, connecting Lomé to the wider world beyond its coastline. As sunlight touches the port of Lomé, cranes and palm trees emerge from the shadows. The port comes alive, a vital artery for trade and dreams, where ships from far-off lands dock with the day's first light. Fishermen in colorful pirogues are already at work, their boats bobbing on the water. With practiced hands, they cast their nets, continuing traditions passed down through generations, relying on the ocean's bounty. The city wakes with the sea, its life intertwined with the ocean's pulse. Along the seafront, people greet the morning, their routines shaped by the rhythm of the waves and the promise of the day ahead. The hum of motorcycles and voices of early risers fill the air, blending with the scent of charcoal and salt. Markets begin to bustle, and the city's energy grows as sunlight warms the streets. Tradition and progress meet here, setting the stage for Togo's story. Old customs and new ambitions coexist, shaping a city that looks both to its roots and its future. This sunrise is more than a new day. It's an introduction to Togo's resilient spirit. Each face in the morning light reflects hope, determination, and the enduring strength of a people shaped by the sea. The coastline, though small, is Togo's window to the world and a first welcome for visitors. From above, the meeting of land and sea reveals the country's openness and its connection to distant shores. Here, dawn is a promise of warmth, culture, and discovery beyond the golden sands. Each morning invites exploration, offering new stories to those who walk these shores. Togo's heart beats with the ocean, ready to reveal its vibrant soul. As the day begins, the city and sea move together, inviting all to witness the unfolding story of Lomé. Togo may be small, but its geography is a journey through contrasting worlds. The south greets the Atlantic with sandy beaches and tranquil lagoons. Inland, lush forests give way to the rolling Togo Mountains, crowned by Mount Agu. These mountains divide the humid south from the drier north, shaping climate and culture. Beyond, the savanna stretches wide, dotted with baobabs and shea trees. Life here follows the rhythm of the seasons. Agriculture thrives on sorghum, millet, and cotton. In just a few hundred kilometers, Togo transforms from palm-fringed coast to sun-drenched grasslands. Each region has its own climate, flora, and way of life, creating a rich cultural tapestry. Togo is a corridor connecting West Africa's coast to its interior, its landscape telling a story of diversity. This journey through shifting landscapes is what makes Togo truly unique. Togo's history is woven from ancient kingdoms, colonial ambitions, and the quest for freedom. Before Europeans, groups like the Yu and Kabye built vibrant societies here. In 1884, Germany claimed Togoland, building infrastructure but ruling harshly. After World War I, Suren Mao, Antandabine, One, and Sao, Gunsobodin Sao. Sin territory Stour de Bicharbi was split between Britain and France, dividing ethnic groups. French Togoland saw new roads and schools, but also cultural assimilation. By the mid-20th century, nationalist leaders like Sylvanus Olympio led the push for independence. In 1960, Togo became sovereign, marking a moment of pride and hope. The path since has seen challenges, but Togo's resilience endures. Its identity is shaped by kingdoms, colonial borders, and a shared dream of freedom. Togo's spiritual and architectural heritage reveals its soul, offering a window into the country's vibrant traditions and enduring beliefs. Vodun, born here, is a respected belief system centered on Mawu and a host of spirits. It shapes not only religious life, but also the rhythms of community and family. Rituals, music, and dance connect people to the spiritual world, influencing daily life. These ceremonies are vibrant, filled with color, sound, and movement, and they reinforce the bonds between generations. The Akodesawa fetish market in Lomé is a traditional pharmacy for Vodun healers, filled with objects believed to hold power. Here, ancient remedies and spiritual tools are traded, connecting the physical and mystical worlds. In the north, the Kutamaku region is home to the Batamariba's iconic mud tower houses, or takienta, fortress-like, sustainable, and deeply symbolic. These homes are built by hand, using earth and tradition, passed down for centuries. These structures reflect both spiritual beliefs and practical needs, blending seamlessly with the land. Each takienta is a testament to harmony between people and nature. Colonial architecture, like Lomé's Sacred Heart Cathedral, adds another layer to the landscape, echoing a complex history of encounters and change. Here, Gothic spires rise beside traditional markets and mud towers, telling a story of cultural fusion. The old and new, the sacred and the everyday, exist side by side. Togo's built environment is a living museum where spirits, history, and daily life meet. Every street and village holds echoes of the past, alive in the present. The country's architecture and beliefs are inseparable, shaping a unique cultural landscape. Here, every wall and symbol tells a story of resilience and identity. In Togo, the past and present coexist in every structure and ritual, creating a tapestry where heritage and hope are woven together. To truly know Togo, you must step into its bustling markets, the true heart of daily life, where the country's spirit comes alive in every corner. These markets are vibrant, noisy, and alive with color, where commerce and community blend seamlessly. Every visit is an immersion into a world where laughter, music, and the calls of vendors fill the air. The Grand Marché in Lomé, run by the legendary Nana Benz businesswomen, is a sprawling maze of textiles, spices, and boundless energy. Here, every aisle tells a story of tradition and ambition. These women are icons of empowerment, controlling the trade in West Africa's famous wax cloth. Their legacy is woven into the very fabric of the market, inspiring generations. Every sense is engaged. The scent of grilled fish sizzling over open flames, the lively sound of bargaining, and the sight of overflowing stalls packed with goods and eager shoppers. Markets showcase Togolese resilience and resourcefulness, offering everything from fresh produce and fragrant spices to electronics and household essentials. It's a place where needs are met and dreams are built. Artisans carve, weave, and create, preserving traditions in a modern setting. Their hands shape not just objects, but the cultural identity of Togo itself. Watching a craftsman at work is a glimpse into Togo's artistic heritage, where skills are passed down through generations and every creation tells a story. More than commerce, the market is a living museum and cultural stage where traditions are celebrated and new memories are made every day. Here, the pulse of Togo is felt in every transaction and conversation, a rhythmic heartbeat that connects past, present, and future. Togolese cuisine is a journey through the country's geography and culture. Staples like yams, cassava, and maize become fufu and akume, doughy bases for every meal. Fufu's rhythmic pounding is the soundtrack of home, while akume is a southern favorite. Meals are eaten by hand, scooping up rich sauces made from tomatoes, ground nuts, or leafy greens. Protein varies by region: fish on the coast, chicken and goat inland, and adventurous dishes like agouti. Chili peppers add a fiery kick, balanced by the mildness of fufu. Meals are communal, bringing families and friends together. Street food, brochettes, bean cakes, fresh coconuts, adds flavor to city life. Every bite reflects Togo's warmth and generosity. Food here is simple, bold, and made with care, a delicious expression of national identity. To taste Togo is to taste its soul. Tradition grounds Togo, but its future is being built at the port of Lomé. This deepwater port is a regional trade hub connecting Togo and its landlocked neighbors to the world. Modernization has made Lomé a critical gateway for commerce and opportunity. Infrastructure investments, like the Route Nationale 1, are linking communities and boosting trade. Education is a national priority, with schools and universities nurturing the next generation. Challenges remain, but optimism and progress are visible in every sector. Togo's growth is powered by ambition, resilience, and a belief in a brighter future. Here, tradition and modernity drive the nation forward. Togo's wild side is a hidden treasure, rich in biodiversity. Fazao Malfa National Park, the country's largest, shelters elephants, antelope, and baboons among forests and savanna. Bird life is spectacular. Herons, turacos, hornbills, and raptors fill the skies from coast to north. These varied habitats are a paradise for nature lovers and bird watchers. Conservation faces challenges, poaching and habitat loss, but awareness is growing. Local communities are increasingly involved in protecting these wild spaces. Togo's parks are vital sanctuaries, preserving the spirit of West Africa. The wild whispers of Togo are a reminder of its untamed beauty. Nature here is both a legacy and a promise for the future. Togo invites travelers to discover an Africa beyond the usual tourist trail. Its magic lies in authentic encounters, sharing meals, witnessing ceremonies, and joining daily life. Here, visitors can meet Vodun priests, hike to remote villages, and be welcomed as guests. The warmth and pride of the Togolese people make every experience meaningful. From vibrant markets to serene mud tower villages, Togo offers a condensed, rich slice of the continent. Diversity and tradition thrive in this small nation, revealing Africa in miniature. Togo's spirit is large, its culture deep, and its invitation genuine. For the curious, Togo is a journey of discovery, a small country with a big soul.
Thank you for traveling with Dream Destiny Destinations. Subscribe, and let the next adventure begin. See you in the next journey.